Come, let's go. You're all set? You're wearing gloves. Show your gloves. It's actually cold. See, look at the clouds. It rained yesterday night. All the roads are wet. See?
The weather is too cold.
Come, we'll walk. We'll go. We'll have some cold milk and coffee. Why are you keeping it back? What?
It is not so cold that I have to wear gloves. Guys, we are going to
Hot Bonvita milk? Oh, you didn't find that in the hotel? Oh yeah, probably because it rained and the milk guy hasn't come. You don't want to have coffee or kava? You just want to have hot milk. Okay. Okay. We're going. You have the spikes on your shoes, which make your grip. Okay. Wow. Can you see those clouds on top of that hill? Come this side, come this side, come this side. Come this side. We'll get a better pic. Come, let's go.
Oh my god.
So wear your gloves, no? Keep walking. It's such a good feeling to get that mild sun, right? Standing in the sun in such cold weather. Look here, look here. I'll take your background. See? All those clouds on the hills? I think you can just walk up and touch them. Yeah? He's walking. Punjabi restaurant is not open. Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. We'll have to explore where can we get chai. Where? Can you see some? Everything is closed. People get up very late over here. Very sleepy, lazy morning. Come, I found chai. Come. We'll have chai. We'll have chai at the Raju's.
No tea.
We'll just have chai, no? So
I want to
we'll ask him if he's got milk. He's Raju Bhaiya. We had eggs yesterday. Good morning, Raju Bhaiya. भैया चाय दूध होगा? दूध दे दो एक बच्चे को और मेरे को कॉफ़ी दे दो. Mini Kashmir, mini Switzerland, Parth? Okay. So Parth? Paru? Hello? Danger mode, happy mode? I can't hear you. हाँ जी पारू. So, how's the Josh? Look at the high trees.
पहले बार सर
टाइगर पहली बार भैया.
सर
हाँ
वीडियो अपलोड का
हाँ भैया.
घोड़े पे
रुको थोड़ा पास जाएंगे तो देखते हैं.
अच्छा लगा सर ये वादी
बहुत बहुत बढ़िया भैया.
जन्नत जन्नत
सच में जन्नत है भैया.
अभी यहाँ बर्फ पड़ेगा हमको रहता है गाँव में हमारा घर
Finally we reached.
This is called the mini Switzerland of India.
So let's take the ticket and go inside.
Okay. Yeah. I'll take the tickets.
What's
Come.
in the... Let me show you guys the view. Look at this. This is the view. Look at this mountain. Look at this mountain. So guys, finally we reached. Finally we took the tickets and we finally reached the mini Switzerland of India. And look at it. Look at it.
Hills, pines,
I recommend you to come here.
long trees.
With a horse.
On a horse. Because the road was not good. It was full of horse shit and it rained yesterday, so it was full of slush and stones and very extremely sharp climb.
I'll stand till that barrier.
Till which barrier?
Till those barriers. Please.
I will. That's the entry point, that's the Maggie point. And what's your plan next? You want to play the frisbee? You want to play the frisbee now?
Yes, but not now. I'll run.
And you want to have Maggie or
No.
then?
I'm going to run.
Alright, go play. They're there. I just cannot actually see. I have to zoom in.
उसने जाना की तारीफ मुमकिन नहीं उसने जाना की तारीफ मुमकिन नहीं
Look, these are the kids enjoying life. Freedom, heaven. Mini Switzerland. True by its name, it's actually heaven. If there is heaven on earth, and as they say, Amin aste, Amin aste, Amin aste. Yahi hai, yahi hai, yahi hai. Come on, where did you stop? Go, guys. Let's see how far can you go and who reaches there first. Parth, Suyaksh, beta, follow bhaiya. Go play. Again. Parth, dekh ke. Parth, stop. Now go. One will run and the other will catch. Will chase. Go play. Catch him. Go. Let's use fast. I'm following you. Come on. Let's see. Oh, faster. Suyaksh, faster. अरे भाग गया यार वो तो. Come on, go. Catch him. Jaldi. Okay, both of you race. But there is no horse dung here. It's just clean green grass, so you can walk bare feet. Go. And the kids are running again. What is this? What are you eating? Oh, this is what the horses eat, right? And they get one horse pass. You get one horse pass, right? टूरिस्ट अच्छा आया ना यहाँ पे इस बार worth it, worth the money spent, worth the time and effort.
अच्छी लग रही है।
Everyone smile. Parth, say hi. Minnie, hi. Hi. Ginny. हाँ भाई, tell me, which mode are you on? And I'm on the horse mode. I'm on the horse mode. Bumpy ride. Hashtag bumpy ride. Hashtag TikTok. अभी तो What is RO? What is the meaning of RO? One more park. Wow. Another landscape. Have a look in the front park. Water, flat place, and then hills, and then pine trees. This actually is heaven. And now look on top part. Earth, look on your right on the top. It's magic. It's magic. Hop off, Parth. Say yo. You're at Aro Valley. So, what do we have here? How was the entire journey? How was the drive? Just good? It was heavenly. Sad. What do you have to say about this place?
I didn't like it a lot, but I like it. Guys, from the Aru Valley.
To see the Betab Valley.
So guys, we are at Betab Valley. Look at it. Hi guys, we are on the flight of AirAsia from Srinagar to Delhi, and we almost now reached Chandigarh.
So we are flying over Chandigarh.
Yes.
There was this announcement by the pilot, right?
Yes.
Okay. So how was the overall journey? Why didn't you make a vlog in the morning?
Because I had the cold and cough.
Yeah, because it rained and the weather just changed and it was chilly from the last 2 days. So now you
We
can.
could not shoot our video because of heavy rainfall.
So how was your trip? You want to say something to your friends
It
about?
was very awesome. We enjoyed a lot. We traveled a lot.
How was Srinagar? Was it clean? Was it beautiful?
It was very, 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 very good.
And you want to say something about your houseboat experience?
It was like wow.
So you want everybody should come and stay there, or you don't recommend?
Once. Everyone should come here once.
Why only once?
Once. They can come again and again, but once.
Is necessary.
Yes.
They must
One
come
is
once, right? So that's okay. And what did you like best about this entire trip?
That was the house. It was like
It was as if you were living in your own house, but on a boat. Yeah?
that's why it's named as house.
True, very true. And what else did you like in Srinagar? Where all did you go?
Pahalgam, Sonmarg, and 2 gardens.
That was the local sightseeing.
First day, yes, local sightseeing.
And there was another place, Doodh.
Doodh Patri and Shikara.
Right.
And
And
Doodh Patri was 1 hour going and 1 hour coming.
and you also went to Pahalgam.
Horse ride. Yes, Pahalgam.
What did you see in Pahalgam?
It was like I done horse riding there.
Okay. And where did you go on the horse?
To the mini Switzerland of India. It was like this. Once in a life, for everybody.
Okay. And how was the food in Srinagar?
Amazing, really amazing.
How was the food in Pahalgam?
Pahalgam,
Where did you have food in Pahalgam? I think it was Punjabi Rasoi. Yes. How was the food there?
Nathus.
Yeah, but how was Punjabi Rasoi? I think the best food we got in the entire trip was in Punjabi Rasoi, right? And I also recommend it to everyone, right? Okay. And anything else that you want to tell your friends about the weather, what they should carry?
Amazing. So let me see. We reached
And you want to tell everyone about the weather, the rains. The weather changes anytime, and they definitely should carry an umbrella.
Guys, I enjoyed a lot in Pahalgam. Now we are
What did you do in Pahalgam in mini Switzerland?
Pahalgam horse riding.
And what did you do in mini Switzerland?
It was like a garden for camping, tenting, and
Great.
it is not trekking.
How was the horse ride, the pony
Horse
ride?
ride. My horse ride only with horse.
Was it difficult? Was it fun? Was it?
It was but in Doodh Patri, I did 1 hour horse ride to go and 1 hour horse ride to come.
2 hours on the horse.
Yes. That's why I was not scared to go on the
What did you see? What is there to see in Doodh Patri?
Doodh Patri, horse riding, and that was like a 5-kilometer
Journey.
I enjoyed a lot in Doodh Patri.
What is there to see in Doodh Patri? Because most people have not heard about Doodh Patri.
It has 1 kilometer long garden
Okay.
and it contains horse ride also.
So do you suggest that people should come to Doodh Patri also in their visit to Srinagar? And why didn't you go to Gulmarg? There's a what about the gondola ride?
Am I right?
Yeah.
Guys, you can go to Gulmarg because everyone committed not to go because it didn't
It wasn't.
snow in it.
It wasn't. So the snowfall wasn't there, right?
Yes, that's why it was working.
नमस्कार
And what do you suggest where people should eat and carry and?
Let me listen to the announcement. We are going to land now, guys.
आपातकाल के अतिरिक्त जैकेट और सेफ्टी एप्लीकेशन कार्ड को विमान से अटेंशन प्लीज वी विल बी लैंडिंग शॉर्टली वी होप यू हैव अ वंडरफुल फ्लाइट प्लीज रिटर्न टू योर विंडो शेड्स ओपन
Guys,
Please
we are
ensure
about
that
to
any
land
portable
now.
electronic devices are switched off
Sorry, I
or in
cannot
airplane
upload
mode.
video.
Please do not use the lavatory.
Travel.
Removing a life
We made
jacket
video.
except in the case of an emergency or taking a safety
Yeah, but
information card is strictly
you
prohibited.
did you watch a lot of YouTube on the way?
That will up because there was no. Guys, we could not shoot our video because it was so busy and there was no prepaid internet.
But did you not have Wi-Fi in your houseboat?
We did not have Wi-Fi there.
Also, for 6 days you did not have access to internet, YouTube, anything, WhatsApp, email, nothing. Oh, and I remember we also faced a problem when we were boarding, and our tickets and our ID cards were on the mobile. And we also faced issue with our DigiLocker because there was no internet and all the IDs, the user IDs were on the mobile, and I couldn't even open the WhatsApp or Google Drive or Google Images to show them. So we faced a lot of issues there, but then we requested and we told them the genuine problem. So that is something that everybody should take care of before starting or planning the travel. And how about the security? How about the cleanliness in Srinagar, the drives,
Very clean and neat.
and how about the security? Did you see defense personnel there?
Every 1 meter, 1 minute.
So you mean to say that you saw almost more than 1,000 military people, yeah? And you saw the convoy also, right? And the convoy had, almost like 10, at least a minimum of 10 trucks. And we also heard of a flock of sheep also, right? How many times did you see those? If I remember correctly, I think 4-5 times, right? And how much was the distance, between Srinagar, Pahalgam, and Srinagar and
Almost 100.
almost?
100 kilometers.
Namaskar.
Yeah, so I remember we took almost 2 to 3 hours each time. So now our flight is ending, and what do you want to say to everyone?
Guys, I hope you had a good week.
And you forgot to mention about the apple orchards.
Yes.
We saw a lot of apple trees also, right? And apples hanging almost everywhere.
In one clip in my video, you can see.
And what did you shop from that shop on the highway? A lot of almonds, saffron,
Yes.
blueberries, and what else?
So guys,
Kava.
yes.
You forgot to mention. You want to say something about the kava?
I'm very pleased. And guys, so I hope you had a good video.
And you really want people to come to Srinagar?
Yes, I recommend.
Great. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.